Our mind is never new. Mind is always old, traditional, ancient. It's just an accumulation of the past is the mind. It's never new. Newness comes from beyond. Newness is a gift from God. Newness is from beyond and of the beyond. Newness is of the beyond. But you are just like an island. You may have forgotten the beyond, but beyond will not forget you. You are not forgotten. The child can forget the mother. Mother cannot forget the child. The branch of a tree can think it is separate from the tree, but it is not. Tree will never forget the branch. The part may forget, or it has forgotten the whole. The whole has not forgotten the part. That is why there is continuously the newness it goes on coming to you, because of this connection, invisible connection. It goes on coming to you, although you don't welcome it. It comes in the evening, it comes in the afternoon, it comes in the morning, thousand and one ways. The newness is coming to you every moment, but you should have that eyes to see it. It is continuously coming to you. Existence is overflowing and it is showering, pouring on you. But you are enclosed in the past. You are almost a kind of, it's a grave. You're almost a kind of grave. You have lost that sensitivity. You have become insensitive. Because insensitivity is because of the cowardliness. You have lost that sensitivity. What is sensitive? Being sensitive. What is sensitive? Is new will be felt. There will be a passion for new, a thrill of the new. There is always adventure arises in you. You just move into the path of the unknown, enjoying the unknown. But mind says, this is madness. Mind thinks it is mad. Mind thinks this is it's not rational to leave the past. But God is present. We cannot use past tense or the future tense to God. We cannot say God was or God will be. God is. God is utterly fresh. He is. Remember one thing. If any new arrives, new is coming to your life, think that is a message from God, or that itself is a message or a messenger of God. If you accept, you are a religious person. Man needs little more rest and little more openness to accept new and to let new in. That is what prayer means, and that is what the meditation means.